Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia, and today we are going to be doing a 2-week update from my septum piercing. Or from, for, whatever. I'm really short, so my tripod's a little higher than I anticipated. But I'm gonna be on my tippy toes, and I have my septum flipped up right now, as you could probably see it. So sexy. You know, we have this like thing on my channel now where it's just getting really close up into my nose, and yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do, of course, you know, per usual, is use my Dial Gold antibacterial soap. You can find this at Walmart. If you're gonna buy it and you're gonna clean your piercings, make sure it is the antibacterial, because there's one that looks just like this, and I promise you, you don't want to be using any scented products on your piercing. And if you've used it before and it's fine, whatever, that's awesome for you. But I'm not going to give people advice that a professional wouldn't give me. Does that make sense? Not that I'm a professional, but I mean, if you're going to watch my video, I want to give you the right information. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay, cool. So anyways, we're going to take this, we're going to pump it in our hands, just like that, then we're going to wash our hands. Don't forget to get your little towel that's clean, so we don't put any bacterial up in our nose. Okay, and the second thing I'm gonna do is get a Q-tip. I'm gonna wet both ends. And now that it's wet on both ends, I'm going to go ahead and make it wet around the hole itself, just so that way it is easier to clean. It's like soaking it, if that makes any sense. So that's gonna get all the crusties off and everything a lot easier than just, I don't know what I'm saying, just hopefully it makes sense. So all I'm gonna do is, should I turn my flash on for this? No, I don't want people to know what my nose looks like inside that bad. Oh my jeez. Sorry, my camera is just, it's very off balance right now. Perfect, okay. So, let's get all up and close and personal. And then I'm just gonna soak it with some water. Be careful, because even me doing this, I can feel it like pooling, which means that I have some dried crusties on it, and it's trying to move and like shift around, and it's catching, which means it's not good. Which means we need to get the crusties off, is what that means. So you're supposed to clean it twice a day, or at least once a day, but don't go overboard. So now I'm gonna get some Dial Gold soap on the end that I did not put in my nose. I just put a little bit, and then I'm gonna saturate it with some water. And so now I'm just going to take that and also go back and put it over the same places we just put water over. I'm really bad at describing things. And so I'm just going in, really getting it clean. And then so beautiful, right? I bet. We got some crusties off. And now I'm just gonna do that one more time. Except this time going in with the soap first. Do you like my little blonde mustache I got going on? No! Don't get it in your liquid lipstick. because then you're gonna have some runny runs. You know what I mean? Like, is that just me, or whenever like you're eating something and like grease gets on your liquid lipstick or water or something that like changes the formula slightly, it starts transferring, and I'm like, whoa, not cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the just water side and once more go over it so that way we're getting all of the soap off. Okay, we're just gonna pat this section and I'm gonna flip it down. Hopefully there's no boogies on it, but you know, it happens. When it's flipped up, it's gonna happen. So if you're intimidated by boogies, I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna grab it, I'm gonna flip it down, and this is what it looks like flipped down. You can keep wanting to go back like this, but it's still the same jewelry that I got pierced with. Trust me, I want to change it so bad, but I'm being cautious. And I'm just gonna get a Q-tip and try to get the boogies off the balls. Oh, it's doing it again. Stop trying to get in my liquid lipstick. And that's pretty much it. Just a few notes about it. It's still tender right here, just a little bit. Not anything really bad like it was right after. I can go like this, wiggle my nose around. Sometimes when it's flipped up and I do that, I can feel the piercing trying to move, and it like pulls a little bit because the crusties are there. This probably doesn't make sense unless you have a septum piercing yourself. If you're watching this because you want one, then you want to know what it's like with what it's like after getting it. There's gonna be crusties, and it's gonna like crust right here along where the opening is, the metal, and it's just gonna stick in place. And then when it tries to shift or something like that, it's gonna hurt because it's gonna catch. But that's why you clean it. Don't over clean it. I was told to do 1 to 2 times a day. Normally I do 1 time a day before night, but if I'm gonna have a really long day, that doesn't make sense, but if I'm gonna be up all day, which whenever I go to work, I clean it in the morning, and then at night I clean it before I go to bed. And so this is it. And now I'm gonna pull it back up. It's not very well hidden. I want to get the smaller one so that way when I flip it up, it'll stay like that, so you can't see it. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Doesn't hurt. Like I said, it's only tender right here. It's starting to itch more, which is a good thing. As long as you're taking care of it and cleaning it, it's a good thing because that means it's healing on the inside. So the outside's already healed, but now it's just the inside that's healing, so it's a little itchy. And that's pretty much really all I have to say. I can't wait for 2 more weeks so I can change it. Hopefully I don't get impatient and change it beforehand because that's not a very good thing. But that's pretty much his entire video, and I know I'm not, oh my god! I know I'm not really in focus right now. No, my camera is crooked. But yeah, that is my 2-week update on my septum piercing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm just really hyper today. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and hopefully I'm in frame and in focus. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be doing a month update of my septum piercing. And if you're wondering, because I'm sure I'm gonna get a question on how it feels to have a nose piercing with my septum piercing, this likes to twirl around a lot, and so it kind of tickles my nose hairs, but other than that, it's fine. It doesn't bother me at all. And I like it. It looks cute together. And that's just my 2 cents. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and all my social media links are down below. Bye guys!